All right, welcome back, guys. This is Cadding video number 3 um, for Chronova. And today we're going to be learning about the revolve feature. I know it's a little bit early to be uploading a third video because you guys would have just seen the second video. But I'm just going to simultaneously upload this to you guys, and then number 4 will come maybe next week. So you guys have some time to practice both of the things you learned. So as I said, we're going to be going over the revolve feature. Essentially what this does is there's a plane, and then there's an axis, and then you can just revolve that plane around the axis to create weird looking solids like this. So here's what I'll do. I'm going to make a sketch on this plane. And wait, let me just get this all right. Okay, and then I'm gonna make a little circle right here, 0.6 inches of diameter. Maybe I'll just make this a little more fun. Just make a few lines. Okay, so there, there, there. Well, what did I do there? All right, guys, just give me 1 second. I just need to make this thing here. Wait. All right, there you go. Well, what is going on? Not done just yet, but almost there. All right, there you go. I'm just going to trim this down a little bit. Okay, so this is our little cross section here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the revolve feature. I'll click on, it's already clicked for me. And then I'm going to click on the this little axis here, the Z axis, and boom, we have a little cylinder here with a gap inside. And yeah, that's all you need to know for the revolve thing. You can also make like your own axes. They don't have to be like the default one. And yeah, you can make cool looking things with this feature. So make sure you practice the revolve feature and the sweep feature. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys this week. And we'll be back with some more next week. Take care.